How to create a professional presentation in Google Slides. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a clean and professional looking presentation using Google Slides. Just stick with me till the end because I'll also show you one design tip that instantly makes your slides stand out. Let's jump in. First, open the browser and go to Google Slides. Here, open a new blank presentation. Start by giving your project a title at the top left. Then click Theme on the right panel to pick a clean, modern template. Material or Swiss work great for a professional vibe. Now let's set up the structure. Use the plus button to add new slides, and choose different layouts from the drop-down arrow next to it. Title and content, section header, and so on. This helps you organize your information clearly. Use large, readable fonts like Arial or Roboto, and don't clutter your slides. Stick to one main idea per slide. If you're adding visuals, click Insert, then hit Image, and make sure your images are high quality and aligned properly. Once you're done, click Slideshow at the top to preview your work, or Share if you're collaborating with teammates. That's it. Now you've got a professional Google Slides presentation ready to impress. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. See you in the next video.